principles of sterility.
Tagwa na ni.
Ay, i-check mo lang kung tama yung ginawa. Okay,
Ako
so,
ba nag-check ko?
13 principles of sterility. Number 1. Sterile items are sterile items only use.
Hindi, only.
Sterile sterile only sterile items are used within the sterile field.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Wala ganito bullshit.
Sterile.
Sterile persons are gown and gowns. Gowns are sterile. Gowns are sterile from table to chest in front, including including
Mali.
huh?
Mali. From table to chest level.
Ay,
level.
ay, wala
Dapat
dapat.
na level.
Subo na ka.
Oh, spa.
Sterile persons are gown and glove. Gowns are sterile. Gowns are sterile from table to chest in front, including
Wala nag-level mo. Chest level?
chest level.
Wala yung level mo.
Osbo na ka, osbo
Oh,
na.
sige, sige.
Sterile persons are gown and glove. Gowns are sterile from table to chest level in front, including two sleeves. Asa masunod ang sleeves?
Wala yung sleeves ganina po.
Nawal.
Including 2 inches above the elbow. Not the sleeves.
Na ay sleeves.
Asa banda elbow?
Including 2 inches. Including sleeves. Ay, fuck. Sterile persons are including sleeves. Ay, including sleeves.
Including sleeves.
Sorry, sterile persons are gown and gloves. Gowns are sterile from table to chest level, including sleeves to 2 inches above the elbow.
Ako na?
Number 3, yeah.
Tables. Tables are sterile only at the table level.
Play back.
At table level. Tables are sterile only at table level.
Ayaw kalimot sa only. Number 4. Unsterile. Person touch
Oh,
on.
unsa?
Unsterile.
Sterile.
Wala sa mga unsterile.
Una, sterile oy. S-O-S-T.
Sterile.
Tanawa, makatabang lagi. O-S-T, S-O. Tabang.
Sterile person. Buwang na sa niyo mga. Tama-tama na. Makatabang.
Makatabang lagi. Ang imong umurasa ni ang mga first
Makatabang buwang na tayo mga.
Sige, sige. Asa ka ba?
Sterile person touch only unsterile field items or areas. Unsterile person touch only unsterile items or areas.
Ako na. Unsterile persons avoid reaching over sterile field. Sterile persons avoid leaning over unsterile areas.
6. Edges of anything that encloses edges of anything that di ba ito content? Wala.
Na.
Edges of anything that encloses sterile, unsterile content.
Sterile.
Sterile content are considered unsterile. 7.
7. Unsterile person avoids sterile areas.
7. The sterile field is created as close as possible to the time of use. 9.
9. Sterile. Ay, wait lang. Asa na ka? Ay, the sterile
Wala
field.
yung da. Ang 9.
No, ay, wala ba? Usa dito mo. 8
So,
ka?
asas 8 ko.
Usa dito mo. Giingon. The sterile.
The sterile field is
Ay,
created.
ako na dahil. Sterile areas are continuously kept in view.
Number
10.
10. Within.
Oh.
Dali na ta.
S po na. S
sterile persons are keep sterile persons is
Keep knowledge.
sterile persons keep well within the sterile area. Walay S.
Number 10. Ay,
11.
number 11? Number 11. Sterile person keep contact with sterile area to a minimum.
11.
12 na.
Ay, 12. Okay. Microorganisms must be kept to a oh my gosh. To an irreducible minimum. 13.
Destruction of the integrity of microbial barriers. Within a minimum.
Barriers.
Destruction of the integrity of microbial barriers results in contamination. Yay! Daghang kay mali.